Welcome guys to my new video. Today I want to show you how to fix earphone issue. Right here you can see I'm with Tecno 474. So my customer complains that this phone shows earphone on the screen and she cannot make call and she cannot listen to music. Today's video I will show you how you can fix it. Very simple. Without time wasted, let me get started. Before I show you how to fix it, let me first of all show you the proof that there's an earphone icon showing on the screen of this phone. Engineers, check this out. Check this out, engineers. Right here you can see there's an earphone icon. Let me show you. Check this out. There's an earphone icon on the screen. Have you seen? There's an earphone icon. So for you to fix this is very simple, right? It's very simple in this phone. Engineers, for us to fix this, I'm going to try two methods. So the first method is for me to clean this downside of this panel, right? I'm going to clean it because there are sometimes water, dust could cause this issue. So I recommend that you should clean it, right? Because if you check the panel very well, you will discover that there are some places that is rusted and this can cause the earphone to show on the screen. So I recommend that you should try phase A treatment first by doing what? By cleaning the downside of the panel, right? By cleaning the earphone port. So let me do it now. Check this out. Make sure that you use your brush, put inside your chemical, then start brushing. Check this out. It's very simple. Take time to do it. If you have question, let me know in the comment section. If you have question, take time to do it, engineers. Check this out. Take time to do it. No rushing. Listen, make sure you take your time to clean the earphone port. Take time to clean the jack, the earphone jack very well. Take time to clean it. Engineers, I'm done with the cleaning, so let me test it now. Let me test it to see if it will work. Engineers, so let me run a test. I want to be sure if it works. If not working, I know what to do. Engineers, I am adding another method, so it is now 3 methods, right? Okay, remember when I started this video, I said 2 methods, so I'm going to add another one. Engineers, check this out. Right here, you can see that the earphone icon is still showing on the screen. Okay, so let me show you the second method that you have to do. Remember, the first method was cleaning. Now, this is the second method. The second method is for you to take earphone, plug. Have you seen? Just plug inside. When you plug inside, just try to turn it, try to turn it. Okay, when you're doing this way, right, you're trying to set the pins, you're trying to arrange the pins. If the pins was shift to the wrong place, you're trying to make sure that the pins is arranged, right? So if you try this method and it's not working, check this out. This method is not working. This is the number 2 method. It's not working. So I'm going to show you the number 3 method, which is guaranteed is going to work just by removing a resistor or cutting a line. Engineer, check this out. So right here we have a capacitor and right here we have resistors, diode, and we have a bridge here. So check this out. So this is the line that is responsible for this. This is the black resistor, this is the diode, and this is a bridge, right? Have you seen? So this line is responsible for showing earphone on the screen. This line is responsible for detecting earphone when it is plugged in, right? So we are going to disconnect it. We are going to do what? Disconnect it. So let me disconnect it. Engineers, check this out. I'm going to disconnect it now. Check this out. Very simple. Just disconnect the line. The line is responsible for detecting earphone plug. Have in mind that when you disconnect, this phone will not detect earphone plug in again unless you connect the line or you change this earphone port, right? This earphone port is not working, so you need to change it. Then you connect the line back. It's going to work, guaranteed. Everything works perfectly. But what I'm showing you now will work 100%. Check this out. So let me on the phone. I'm very sure it works. Let's check. Check this out. It works. You can see that it works. It works 100%. It works 100%. So let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have question, let me know what you think in the comment section. I will be happy to see your question. I will be very happy to see your question. Engineers, thank you for watching. I love you. See you in my next video. Bye bye for now.